this is another mod that you guys wanted me to do a while ago, but I was kind of iffy about it. This is for you guys. I decided to get a roof spoiler finally and install it. And I found one on eBay. Now it's carbon fiber, so it matches my splitter, my diffuser, my spoiler. So I'm gonna install that and show you how to do it. And let's do it. As you can see, quality is really good. It wasn't that expensive. So all we gotta do is lace it up with some double-sided tape, heat it up, make sure we clean the area nice with some rubbing alcohol, and we're good to go. Make sure if you're planning to do this that you buy the right roof spoiler. So there's one for the Coupe and there's one for the 4-door sedan. So just be careful and make sure you buy the right one before you install it. Well, there you have it, guys. I think it looks pretty good. The carbon fiber is on point and it didn't cost that much. So if you like the video, hit like below. As always, make sure you subscribe. I'll see you next time.